What if I were to tell you that in order to maintain a clean and tidy home, all you need is a cleaning schedule and a simple cleaning kit with just a few essential items? I can keep my home clean without a spray for every single type of surface and room. Having too many cleaning supplies simply wastes time, money, and energy. And you don't actually need all that stuff. Let's jump into 10 must-have cleaning supplies for your tidy home. Item number 1 is the queen of versatility and home cleaning. She's also green and significantly more effective. And it's the microfiber cloth. This item is a must-have for every home and will help you save a ton of money on paper towels. Use it to wipe down every surface in your home. I practice the Fly Lady Shine Your Kitchen Sink method every evening with a microfiber cloth. I use them to clean my counters, the bathroom sink, the tub, and my tiles, even to polish mirrors and doors and wipe down dust on dressers and shelves. I even use it to clean my car. A hack I recently learned from Clean My Space is to use a microfiber cloth with a little bit of vinegar to shine my stainless steel appliances, and it has been a game changer. Be mindful to have a few on hand for each area of your home, and you should only be machine washing them, or you can hand wash them, but don't dry them because it actually ruins the quality and its effectiveness. Just so you know, not all microfiber cloths are created equally. Look for ones with a good grip. The higher quality ones tend to be much better. Links for all of these cleaning supplies that I will talk about will be in the description. They are affiliate links, so if you do decide to purchase one, I do earn a small commission. So thank you in advance. Cleaning item number 2 is just a good all-purpose cleaner. The truth is you don't need a cleaner for each type of purpose. A good all-purpose cleaner will do on most, glass excluded. I myself prefer either method or 7th generation products, but stick with what you love. You can even make your own at home by simply mixing 1 teaspoon of dish soap, 2 cups of water, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Essential cleaning product number 3 is a glass cleaner. A good quality glass cleaner can easily remove fingerprints, smudges, and dirt. I personally like Windex. Invisible glass is also great. Better Life's glass cleaner is a good eco-friendly version, or you can always make your own by mixing equal parts vinegar and water. Number 4, no house can do without this, and it is a toilet bowl cleaner and a toilet bowl cleaning brush. Our toilets quickly get dirty and yucky, so cleaning them at least weekly is super important. I keep a toilet bowl cleaner and brush right near my bowl for easy maintenance. Don't forget to clean your toilet brush as well by spraying it with hydrogen peroxide. If you're getting value from my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And also feel free to grab my free cleaning checklist, which includes what to clean daily, weekly, and monthly. I'll leave a link to it in the description. An essential cleaning product, especially if you have kids and or pets, is the magic eraser. Truly magical, truly. Mr. Clean magic erasers have saved me from having to repaint walls and cabinets by easily removing drawings and mystery stains. I even used it on my car when I had a fender bender to remove some of the scratch marks. Number 6, invest in a good quality vacuum cleaner. And no, it does not have to cost you hundreds of dollars. Vacuum cleaners are essential for eliminating dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet fur. I vacuum several times a week because my dog sheds a lot. I also recently learned that there's a right and a wrong way to vacuum a rug, and here it is. Who would have thought that there's like a whole strategy to vacuuming the right way? I will say though that ever since I started vacuuming the right way, my rugs are much cleaner. Cleaning essential item number 7, and I'm absolutely in love with her, probably as much as the microfiber cloth, and it's to have a good mop. No home is complete without it. I have used the cedar mop for many, many years. I know that there are a ton of variations of it, and full transparency, I have not tried them. I'm not a fan of changing something that's working, and good old cedar has kept my floor shiny and clean, so I'm sticking with her. I do periodically have to replace the heads, not too often because they are machine washable. And again, all of the links to the items I'm talking about are in the description. Item number 8 is good dishwashing liquid and a sponge. So I unfortunately do not have a dishwasher, which means I have to hand wash all of my dishes. And if you've listened to any of my other videos, you probably know that I completely hate washing dishes. Dishes and laundry are two chores that I despise with a passion. But a good sponge and good dishwashing liquid are essential to getting grease off. I absolutely love Scrub Mommy. No disrespect to Scrub Daddy. I have tried a ton of other sponges and I truly feel that this one works the best. It's also super cute, so why not? With dishwashing liquid, I do prefer 7th generation. I know some people love Dawn as well, but I prefer the more environmentally friendly version, but use what you love. Item number 10, just like with microfiber cloths, are so incredibly versatile and you can use it for so many different things, and I truly believe that every single household should have this cleaning item, and it's baking soda and vinegar. They have so many uses. I use a combo of them to clean my kitchen drain once a week, to remove stains from rugs, to clean the toilet. I used to actually have a frying pan that I could not remove grease and stains from, and soaking it in a mixture of baking soda and dish soap really worked. I also love to use it to eliminate odors, specifically the baking powder, from my rugs. You essentially just sprinkle the baking soda on your rug, you wait 15 minutes, and then you vacuum it away, and it removes a lot of the smell. I have also used vinegar in the past to descale my coffee machine. So something to be said for this. Does it work? Yes, it does. Is it the best way to clean your coffee machine? If you don't mind drinking like 20 cups of coffee after you've descaled that tastes like vinegar, then go for it. I find that it's very difficult to get the vinegar taste out. So of course, you should run the vinegar and the water through the coffee machine, and then you should actually run a few cycles of water and actually a few cycles of repurposed coffee. But it does, if you are going to do that, instead of investing in like the descaling liquid on Amazon or whatnot, just know that it takes a while and a few cups for the vinegar taste to fully leave the coffee machine. That's just all I'm going to say. I'm not saying don't do it, but just kind of know that it's probably a better idea to just get descaling liquid. Lastly, and probably the simplest item of all, and you have it around your house right now. You actually don't even have to go out and purchase it. And it's a good old-fashioned toothbrush. Toothbrushes are the best at getting into small areas. Use them to remove dirt from in between tiles, around your faucet, and your toilet seat. You can use it to clean your stove, fridge, and pretty much anything else you'd like when a microfiber cloth or a sponge can't do it. Lastly, of course, and it's not on the list, but make sure that you have a pair of gloves. You don't want to mess up or dry out those beautiful hands. Remember that keeping a clean and tidy home is also about simple daily habits. And for a list of those, specifically ones that only take you 60 seconds to complete, you can check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. As always, good luck on your clean home journey, and remember to be good to yourself.